Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a spinning kick in UFC 6. If you want to do spinning kicks in UFC 6, first make sure your fighter actually has those moves available because not every fighter includes the same spinning attacks in their moveset. To check, open your fighter moves and look through the kick section, scroll down and you will find different spinning techniques that your fighter can perform. Depending on the fighter, you may see moves like the rear spinning hook kick, body jumping spinning kick, side kick, rear jumping switch kick, or even a 360 roundhouse. You'll also find other variations like flying knees, side kicks, and body kicks. Each move will show the exact button combination needed to perform it. Once you find a spinning kick you want to use, go into practice mode and try it a few times to get the timing right. Experiment with different fighters too, because some have more spinning attacks available than others. After a little practice, you'll find which spinning kicks work best for your style and start landing them more consistently in fights. And that's how you do spinning kicks in UFC 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.